Hello friends, welcome back to Snippet Code, and we are very excited to announce that we are starting our new mini MongoDB Snippet Series. So in this series, we will learn about some of the snippets which we usually struggle to find out when we need it in our project integrations. So this is our first video in this series, and today we will learn how to search in an array of object in our MongoDB. So before starting a video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you. So for this MongoDB snippet series, we are going to use this website, that is mongoplayground.net, and here we can create our own database, and also we can do the query, and here we will get the result here. So in this way we will learn how we can work on this one. So first of all, we will create our database. So now in this first video, we will going to learn how we can search in the array of the object in our MongoDB. And first of all, we have to create a data here, and in the data we are going to have our user table. Inside the user table, we are going to have the name of the user, then we have the cars array, and in that array we have the object for car model and car year. So this is our data here. We have to first put here db is equal to, and then we have the curly brackets, and inside that we have to create the table here, and the table name we are going to use here, users. Inside that we have the array for the users table, and first of all we have the name here, that a variable as a Roman. Then we have the array for the cars here, and inside that we have the object for car model. Then we have the car year here. Same we have for the second data also. So now what we have to do, we have the requirement, like we have to find those user which are having a car with the car model name is Hyundai and the year as a 2005. In that case, what will happen, we will get two results, because here you can see we have two data with the same car model here. So now if we change it to different car model, like we will put here BMW and year as a 2000, then in that case we will get this result. But if in case we are going to search only for the car model, not for the car year, then we will get two results here, because we have two data with the car model BMW. So for using that, we are going to use the operator here in our MongoDB. We have the operator for elemMatch. So the elemMatch operator matches the document that contain an array field with at least one element that match all the specified query criteria. So here what we have to do, we have to put here db.users, because we have to find inside this, and here we will create the object here like this one. So now in the find, we are going to find our cars, and here we have to put cars, and here again we have to put the curly brackets, then there we have to put the $sign, then we have our elemMatch. So now here what we have to do, we have to search with the car model. We will put here car model. Here we will put Hyundai. Now if I click here run, here we are getting not found because we put here spell mistake here. We have to put here Y. So now if I click again run, you can see we are getting two data, because both the user having a car of that Hyundai model. So now if I put one more search criteria here, like if I put a year, so here if I put here 2005, in that case also we will get two results, because both having a year of 2005. So now if I change this user to 2015, and if I click on the run, you will see we will get only one result here for this user, because this user having a year for 2005 only. So now here we are getting that result only, because that user matches the result here. So in the same way we can do for the another model also. If I change it to BMW, and here if I put year as a 2005, then we will get no result here, because none of the user having a year model for that 2005. So now if I change it to 1975, and if I click on the run, you will see we are getting only one object here, that is this user, because this user having a year for 2015. So in this way we can search for our element in our array in our MongoDB, so you can easily search. So this is all about the elemMatch operator in our MongoDB, which matches the document that contain an array field with at least one element that matches all the specified query criteria. So this is the first video for our MongoDB snippet series. So I hope you like the video. If you have any query or any question, please let me know in the comment box section, or also you can send me the message on the Facebook or Instagram. So I will try to reply to everyone. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe channel. I will come back soon with another awesome video. Thank you for watching the video.